Well, we're off on our next adventure, which is dodging oncoming traffic as we head to the Llanos de Cortez waterfall. Is that right? Did I get it right?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to do a little hike and maybe get a little swim time in the waterfall, I hope.
Everyone's just discussing back here if we're going to go cliff diving or not. What do you think, guys?
I think
Yeah.
cliff diving.
I'm gonna.
We'll see. If it's there, we'll do it. Poor little Brooklyn finally got the nerve to do a jump herself, and it did not go well. Poor thing, she got a good back smacker. What was your favorite part?
Oh, definitely the cliff diving.
When we got to see the view.
Yeah.
Cliff diving.